Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be spicing a whole chicken. Stay tuned while we do this. The marinade sauce contains onion, stock cube, ginger, garlic, salt, oil, white pepper and paprika. Clean your chicken very well and pat it to dry. After you must have cleaned your chicken very well and patted it to dry. Rub the marinade sauce on the chicken, making sure that it touches all the parts of the chicken. I also want to remind you that I did not use pepper for this sauce. For those who likes to eat pepper, kindly wear gloves while doing this. Kindly allow the sauce to marinate with the chicken. You are expected to preheat your oven before the grilling. Put the chicken into the preheated oven and allow to grill for an hour. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.